Hello, I'm here with another question for you. What are you doing right now? Pause the video and answer it. Alright, now answer this question. What are you doing right now? Tell me, which option is correct? I am cooking right now. I was cooking right now. I cook right now. Which one is the correct answer? Pause the video and answer it. So the correct answer is I am cooking right now. I is the subject. Am is the auxiliary, which is to be here. And then we have verb plus ing. I am cooking right now. He is cooking right now. We are listening right now. They are singing right now. All right. So we use am for I, is for he, she, and it, are for you, we, and they. Keep it in mind. So when do we use it? We use it for the things that happen right at this moment. Like, I am teaching right now. Or we can use it in other cases for the things that are so close to the exact moment we are talking. Like something temporary. I am reading a book these days. All right? Now it's your turn. Complete the sentence. I am right now. I am cooking right now. I am playing right now. He is singing right now. They are cleaning right now. All right, now comment below and tell me, what are you doing now? Tell me about it. And if you like the video, hit share, subscribe, and like it. Bye bye.